into, as you said, into startups since last 10 years. So this is like currently I'm doing the third startup. The first one is still alive. My partner takes care of it, and then I wanted to do something else. So I tasted some of the success, a lot of failures, as is the case with everyone. Just talking about my brief. So yeah, I did my engineering. One of those kids who actually wanted to do engineering, which is kind of rare these days. I was into technology and wanted to do some cool stuff as an engineer, build some robots, rockets, and stuff like that. So I was always interested in that. But during the college days, only like second year, third year, I kind of got interested into actually building products and selling them, and I thought that it would be cool to pursue this, and that's where it started. I was in Mumbai for my college days. So Mumbai being kind of, most of the people are involved in businesses or trying to do something, and it's so though that entire atmosphere really helped. And I started as a very young first year, second year college student. I thought that okay, this would be cool to try, just to add up a bit of pocket money kind of, and that's where it started. I wanted to do it. I initially built products so that I can improve my CV and do my MS, but that product turned out to be reasonably well, and that's how I started my startup. So we'll come to this story going forward. Yeah.
Okay. So currently, Saket, अभी आप मतलब like are you handling up any project or are you associated with any कोई organization जहाँ पे आप help out कर रहे हो?
Yes. So I am. So currently, I'm running my own startup. That is one. So I have currently two companies who are operating. So one company is in operation since 2011. So which is kind of uh, stable business, you can say, which is managed by my partner mostly. Uh, I am trying to do something more modern side, what we call as AI or DL, the more technical correct word.
अच्छा.
So we are trying to build something which is into artificial intelligence space, but not very hi-fi thing, not like a car or something. It's
Okay.
so people usually have this impression that okay, if it's AI, मतलब बहुत ही कुछ बड़ी चीज बना रहे हैं, but that's not the case. So even figuring out whose face it is, that is also a part of AI. So if you give
Okay.
an image, you can figure out. So we are working something similar in the data, wherein we help predicting prices for Amazon, Airbnb. So anywhere you see multiple vendors competing for selling a product, uh, our algo kind of helps them in setting up the right price.
Okay.
So that's the project I'm currently working on. As far as startup ecosystem is concerned, I am quite active in Startup Weekend, which is a kind of a flagship event for anybody who wants to start up, and I encourage people to participate there. Apart
Okay.
from that, I run a techie group called IoT Pune, which is also for startups who are
Okay.
more into technical space. So, which is uh, we have around now more than 10,000 members there. So
Okay.
that ecosystem, and we conduct a lot of hackathons. So that is another aspect to connect with startup ecosystem. So yeah, a lot of things I'm trying to do in terms of reaching out startup, because I just love hearing what people are trying to do, and maybe sometimes I offer some help, and that's I kind of enjoy doing it apart from
Cool.
coding. I my humble take is always that if you are an entrepreneur, you are doing your job first is to survive, and if you survive longer enough, you can do a lot good to the society, community, and country in turn. So yes, you need to be self-reliant. That means more and more people should plunge into an entrepreneurship. That doesn't mean taking huge risks. Obviously, I'm not a fan of taking huge risks, but
Okay.
yes, I mean it's a great initiative, and many governments. I mean, I personally think that if you're an entrepreneur, you should not be really looking towards the government policies or what's happening in the global, how is the economy doing, and all these things, because you have so many things to do and on your plate. So I think it's just better you focus there. Be aware, yes, a lot of good things are happening around. take part in it, but don't be get obsessed that okay, this is a great initiative, is going to change my company, or oh, this is a bad policy, this is going to hurt me. I don't think that really happens. Your
Okay.
company and your business is completely in your hand.
Mm-hmm.
Startups don't just happen because of some government policy or some tax holidays or something like that. It creates the right environment. I understand that. But as an
Mm-hmm.
entrepreneur, if and I'm sure a lot of people who are watching, they are kind of entrepreneur or want to get into an entrepreneurship. Uh, For an entrepreneur, it's important that you focus what you can do and forget about
Mm-hmm.
10 other things. Because if you
Okay.
start paying attention to these things, you will just get distracted.
Okay.
And so, yes, great initiative, but entrepreneurs have to focus on their own businesses.